We are getting ready to make cast iron deep dish pizza. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. The first thing I'm going to do is cook some sweet Italian sausage. Put a little bit of oil in my skillet. Now, if you don't like pork or you don't want to eat sausage, you can use ground turkey. You can use whatever toppings you want. I'm going to be using a little pepperoni with this as well. So I just want to kind of chop this up as I go along and get it nice and brown. We're going to take it out of the skillet. Make sure you drain it if you need to. If you got enough oil in there, drain your meat off. Okay, so we're going to roll our pizza dough out. Just a little bit of flour dusted with. You don't want too much on there. And we're going to roll it out first and then put it in our cast iron skillet. Now make sure your dough is at room temperature. And this is supposed to be quick and easy. So this is just a store-bought 16-ounce dough ball for pizza. You can simply make your own. I do make my own dough occasionally, but you know, pizza's supposed to be quick and easy. And the warmer your dough is, my dough is still a little cool. The warmer your dough is, the easier it'll be to roll out. So I'm going to get this all rolled out. Then we're going to come back when it's time to put it in our cast iron skillet. A good seasoned cast iron skillet is already considered non-stick. So we got that going for us already. But you want to put a little oil in your skillet and just rub it up the sides too. You want to make sure it's coated really good. So just take your brush and brush it upwards on the side. Don't go like this. This will help the dough rise upwards if you brush it upwards. Cornmeal here, just basic old cornmeal. Sprinkle a little of that down in the bottom of your skillet as well. You don't need much of that either. Just a little bit. That'll help it crisp up too. Now I have my pizza dough here. It's not rolled out perfectly, but that's okay because when we put it in the skillet, we are also going to bring it up the side. So I'm just going to kind of flip it on in here. Take this paper off of here. And this is wax paper that I use. It's not parchment paper, it's just wax paper. Then you want to take it and bring it up the sides of your skillet with your hands. Just bring it on up there. Bring it on up. It's going to shrink down some, and that's fine. And that's fine. That's why you want to bring it up as tight as you can, just spreading it out in your dish. Let it sit here before we put our toppings in it, maybe about 5 minutes. So I'm going to let it sit here. I'm going to keep rubbing it up the sides. As you see, this side is starting to stay up. That's what we want all the way around it. But it has to be rested to do that. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're pretty much good here. You know, you can always keep pushing it up if you want it to go higher. We're going to start off. Make sure your oven is preheated to 450 degrees. Put some cheese down in the bottom first. Yes, the cheese goes first, not the sauce. Get them out down there. And from there, this is the sausage that we had drained and cooked and drained rather. Go ahead and now you put as much or as little as you like. And like I said, feel free to switch up the ingredients as well. Next, I'm going to go in just with some pepperonis. Again, you know, if you want pineapples on your pizza, that's fine. As a matter of fact, let me know in the comments who thinks pineapples go on pizza. I'm not a fan, but you may be, and I'd like to know. Let's put some pepperonis down there. And we want to make sure we have a pepperoni in every bite. Every bite, guys. Okay, that's looking good. Y'all agree? Let me know. Going in with some onions. Now you can pre-cook your onions if you want to. I don't necessarily like to. I like to have that little bite in there. But I'm an onion fanatic, so you can't really go by me on that when it comes to onions. Same with your green peppers. You can saute those first if you like. Going in with a few green peppers here. You can add mushrooms in, anything you want. This is smelling amazing already. Okay, now we're going in with our sauce. This is some sauce I already had. Use a good quality sauce. That's going to kind of make your pizza just perfect. And when it comes to the sauce, less is actually more. But we're going to put this on top. As you can see, I'm just kind of sprinkling it around. It will spread as it cooks. And it smells amazing. This sauce also has a little green peppers and onions in it with garlic as well. So I didn't need to add any of that in there. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is going to be delicious. Okay, so that's enough on the sauce. Now we're just going to add our cheese back onto the top here. More cheese. Lots of cheese this time. And this is mozzarella, provolone, white cheddar, and what else is in here? I think some Gouda might be in here. So bake it 450 degrees for about 25 minutes till this cheese is nice and bubbly and the crust is starting to be golden brown and delicious. So I'm going to put this in the oven, then we'll be back when it's time to take it out. Ooh, fresh out of the oven. Oh, can you all see that? Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so we are going to cut it. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Amazing, amazing. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Oh my goodness. Let me grab a plate. I'll be right back. Okay, let's take it out of here. Ooh, it's still so piping hot. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. Let's come in for a taste test. Okay guys, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing and it smells wonderful. Ooh, can you all see that? Delicious. Perfect. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise.